Elon Musk is the founder of Tesla, SpaceX, and now he can add another feather to his cap. Grokpedia. So what is this Grokpedia? Grokpedia, as the name suggests, has been designed by xAI, which has also developed the Grok AI chatbot. And the company has positioned it as a direct rival to Wikipedia, the world's most visited online encyclopedia. The project marks Musk's latest attempt to challenge mainstream platforms he deems politically biased. Once an admirer of Wikipedia, Musk has accused of it harboring liberal viewpoints over the past few years and urged followers in January to defund Wikipedia until balance is restored. You can check out Grokpedia website by going to grokpedia.com, where you will be greeted with a simple looking homepage and Grokpedia mentioned above the search bar. When you search for a topic, the platform gives you multiple options that you can click and get information for. So how do both Grokpedia and Wikipedia compare? At present, there are 885,000 articles uploaded on Grokpedia which cover major global topics. Unlike Wikipedia, users cannot edit or alter the content, but can request Grok to modify the article. There are over 65 million articles across all language versions of Wikipedia. Wikipedia's editorial principle of verifiability demands that all claims to be supported by reliable published secondary sources such as academic journals and established media outlets. This ensures accuracy but can also slow down updates. Grokpedia's system is built for speed. It uses real-time information feeds, including posts and discussions from X and other online sources, allowing near-instant updates on developing events. While this enables faster coverage, it also raises concerns about sourcing and the reliability of primary social media data. Wikipedia's greatest weakness lies in human bias. Editorial disputes, ideological differences, and uneven representation of perspectives can affect content neutrality. Grokpedia, however, faces a different challenge: algorithm hallucination. Like most AI models, Grok can produce text that reads convincingly but contains factual inaccuracies. Despite being launched just hours ago, Grokpedia has already begun facing criticism. Many media outlets claim the information in several articles on Grokpedia has been taken from Wikipedia. In some cases, the information has reportedly been rewritten, while in others, it has been copied and pasted directly. So, what do you think of the new encyclopedia? Do let us know in the comments below.